All right, it's March 27th, 2026. We're on our way to Laurel Lake in Laurel, Kentucky. And look, it's an Ashland sign. An Ashland gas station sign. Very rare. Look at that. Ashland. There's an old Ford pickup. Wow. In the wild. And there's some old gas pumps there too. That's so cool. I love the back roads. Alright, moving right along, I guess. Smoke ahead. What's going on? What am I smoking? We have some nice, beautiful cows. Hi, cows. Those are happy cows. Oh, there's a mama and her babies. She's got 2 of them. She have twins? Nice pond. Where is the sun? It's 8 o'clock. I'm still on Eastern time. Maybe it's 7. No, it's 8. It's gotta be. I have no idea. Okay. National Forest boat ramp, Marsh Branch. Boat ramp coming up. Smell the smoke. Cane Creek Wildlife Management. Okay, so they're doing some controlled burning, I see. I'm ready for the leaves to come popping out. I'm still on 192. I'm supposed to be on 192, but I'm thinking the lake should be here right around the corner. Laurel Lake is what the sign said, I think. supposed to go to the right, but we're going to go ahead and... Daniel Boone National Forest. Oh, I didn't realize that's where we were. So, okay. 2 miles this way, and then we got to go back the other way for 192. I wasn't expecting to go to the lake. So I don't know if we're going to be going to Laurel Lake or Cumberland Lake. We have 2 lakes, so whichever one comes first. I think Laurel Lake. Better only be a couple miles. Our places to go today. I don't know where I'm going, but we're going. What's that? House of Hope. It's nice. Lake Cumberland winds. Oh, there's a big cemetery. Poynter's Chapel Cemetery. Oh, wow. Women of the Well meeting, March 28th. That's tomorrow. Oh, since 1932. Right, everybody? Beautiful. I like the reefs on the door. Everybody's facing this way. There's Rogers, Taylor, Mills. There's the fire department. Baldrock Fire Department. There's some chickens. 6 of them. And 1 rooster. 4 chickens, or 5 chickens and 1 rooster. There's another church. Let's see what do we have there. Baldrock Baptist Church. Like them Baptists. Okay, so where's this lake? Maybe Laurel Lake was closer and I just didn't realize it. Maybe you should have turned to the left. About the amount of time I'm having to invest into this lake. It better be a good looking lake. Ooh, that's a Okay, I must be in the central time zone. This is 8:22. Shouldn't they already be in school? No lake yet. I've gone miles. Alright, I have not seen one Lake Cumberland sign. Look at these squirrels. They're just like, they're asking for it today. 3 in a row. Alright, what have we got? But there's a sign. Please be the lake. Daniel Boone National Forest Trailhead. Scuttle Hole. There's another squirrel. Hey! There's small squirrels. There's a trailhead. Scuttlehead. Surely we're close. I feel the lake a-coming. That feels like lake area. Finally! Yes! Yes, that's the lake. Lake Cumberland. A natural lake. We have a little bit of green. Oh, and purple. Did you see the purple flowers? Oh, it is nice. Okay, I'm enjoying this. Oh, and it smells so good. Those purple flowers, look at those. Aren't they pretty? There's the lake. Oh, it's all dried up. Not dried up, but I mean, it looks low. Here we are. Look at all those vultures. Are those vultures? They're beautiful. Even if they are vultures, let's get a closer look. See what's going on down here. Maybe they're ravens. They travel in groups like that? Yes. Yeah. They're huge. Like dinosaurs. Oh yeah, those are their heads. Yeah, those are vultures. What are they vulturing? Hey, don't run. I just want to look at you. There's one. He's the brave one. Well, I done ran them off. That's pretty. Looks like it may be a little low, but not as low as some of the other lakes I've seen this past month. The fisherman coming with his boat. Those vultures over in that tree over there. That was a large group of them. Hi. Oh, there he goes. He's gonna back her up. Well, he is. Hear that little guy? Very curious on what the vultures are after. But they were in the parking lot. Maybe that's just where they live. Cumberland, Lake Cumberland in Kentucky. I love those purple flowers. I love spring. Oh, he's quiet now.